Welcome to Falesco Winery, also known as Cottarella, home of famous winemaker Riccardo Cottarella. This is one of our favorite vineyards in Italy. We've been there several times. It's just about an hour and a half north of Rome, and make amazing wine. Very talented winemaker, like I said, Riccardo. He also consults many other award-winning wineries throughout Italy, and we always make a point to stop here, and we always make a point to drink their wine whenever we can find it.
We just had an insane meal with the Falesco family. Oh my gosh. Now we're on the way to the guest house. Going through the vineyards near Montecchio. Look at you can see the olives on the trees. Black olives, green olives. There's some grapes out there still too. It's late for grapes. Probably some kind of dessert wine. Looking onto the mountain near Montecchio.
Because it's really artisanal. This is a process where we do everything by hand. So basically,
Next stop from the winery is Bagnoregio. Bagnoregio is Italy's dying city. It's literally, the cliffs are falling over the centuries and the town keeps getting smaller. It's about a 5-block town, that's all. There is no road going into town. You actually have to walk up that bridge and into the town. Some cool little restaurants up there, very good. Very, very good restaurants, as a matter of fact. A couple cute little inns. Population is officially under 20 people, but when you talk to people who work here, they'll tell you that only about 4 or 5, maybe 6 people actually live here year-round. So it's a neat little town. It's about 45 minutes from Falesco Cottarella Winery. Definitely check this place out. We go here every time we're in this area, and it's just beautiful. This never gets old to us. So Bagnoregio.
Wow.
When it's foggy and cloudy, sometimes you see only the town, and it seems like it's
By itself.
Yeah.
Wow, look at the sides there. So in the side of the cliffs there, what are those arches? What are those? Are those?
Yeah, those are they used to get the
What animals are those?
Pigeons.
Get pigeons.
yeah.
Oh.
And there's a bird right here. What is this bird?
I don't know. This is the gazzaladro.